Hello students, welcome you in my SS class. Beta, today we are going to start the 7th chapter of political science, that is of outcomes of democracy. First of all, as you know what is democracy? It is a form of a government which is elected by the people and it works for the people. Okay. So from ninth class we have read about democracy in detailed form. Maybe you have learned कि we have started from कि what is democracy and why democracy. Okay, we learned many things about this. So today we come to on the conclusion कि what are the outcomes of the democracy, means कि what results democracy gave us, what is the output of this system. Okay, so first of all कि in this chapter we will read about the expectation which citizens do expect from the government and what is the reality. Okay, we will read the ground situation and we will read the expectations of the citizens. Okay, first of all, how do we assess democracy's outcomes? Okay, firstly, if in this country where is democracy, there all the citizens are equal. Okay, means it promotes equality among the citizens. Okay, number one is this. Number two, democracy enhances the dignity of the individual, means it increases the dignity of the citizens. Number three, it improves the quality of decision making. Number four, provides a method to resolve conflicts. And number five is allows room to correct mistakes. If these terms or these conditions are practiced in a system, it means government is doing their work successfully, means democracy is successfully working in the country. But these all things are not practically recognized. Okay, means the reality is different from other things in the democracy. Okay, now we will go start what are the outcomes of democracy, means what we expect from democracy. Number one is accountable, responsive and legitimate government. First of all, you have to know the meaning of this. Accountable means answerable form of the government. Responsive means कि it is responsible for each and everything. Okay, legitimate means trustable government. Okay, so we know that democracy is concerned issues related to choose the representatives by themselves, means citizens cast their vote and elect their representatives, and those representatives make the decisions for the people. Okay, for the welfare of the country. But in democracy there is one drawback, that decisions can be delayed. Okay, it depends on the so much deliberations. Okay, and so decisions can be delayed. But there is one positive point here, कि if time is taken by the democracy to take the decisions, it is valid, means if the time is taken by the democracy, the decisions will be better than other form of the governments. Okay, in a dictatorship we'll notice that decisions are taken by a single person. Okay, and maybe that can be taken quickly, but we cannot sure about that they all their decisions are better. Okay, so if time is taken by democracy, so it may be decisions are good and are very discussed in detail. Okay, so next is economic growth and development. Okay, in democracy we notice that during the period of last 50 years, means 1950 to 2000, these 50 years we have noticed that economic growth is more in dictatorship countries comparative to democratic countries. Okay, but it is not we can say that our democracy is a bad form of government. Okay, it depends on their situation. Okay, so this it depends on decision that democracy is good, and there are many other aspects which we conclude in development. Okay, and I hope you clear this. Thanks and have a nice day.